Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover deleted contacts from Android phone. If you're using any Android phone and you have deleted your contacts and now you want to recover them, so let's see how can you do that. The first way is that you have to open your contacts app, which might be Samsung contacts or others which you are using. And here, if you have deleted any contact, for example, I'm going to delete one. Just tap on delete and then delete that. Once you have deleted, just tap on three dots and here you will get recycle bin option. Just tap on it and you will get your deleted contact here. You can easily restore it from here. Just keep a long press on it and then tap on restore and it will be restored. Or if you are using any Google contacts or Google accounts, so you must have to open your Chrome browser and here simply search for Google contact. So you must have to search for Google contacts and here open the first website. And here, first of all, you have to make sure that you have logged in your specific account. Once you are logged in, just tap on these three dots in the top left corner, then select bin option. Once you have that, you will get all of your deleted contacts here, but you can see I have no any deleted contacts. So in this way, you can easily recover your deleted contacts from any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.